Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2007 Subaru Outback and I will show you how to remove the overhead console. This video will apply to Subaru Outbacks made from 2003 all the way up to 2009. Now the only reason why would you remove this console is if you're having problems with the airbag sensor. And if you have the airbag light on, this is actually the most common fix on these vehicles. Other problem could be the problem with the sunroof, but like I said, most often you'll have to replace this ABS passenger airbag sensor, which is located right here. Okay, so to start, first you want to pop out just this plastic glass piece. You can use like a plastic trim remover, or if you don't have one, you can use like a flat screwdriver. There is pretty much just two clips holding it in place. Okay, next thing to do would be to remove two phillips screws. You'll see them right here inside. One will be here and the other one on the other side, just here. I hope you can see it. Okay, so once you have removed these screws, there are still two clips holding the console in place, one here and one here. So what you want to do, you want to push this console towards the front end of the car. So just grab it here, push it there and then pull it down. And that will completely lower it. Okay, so what you want to do next, you want to disconnect the power sunroof switch. So there is like a small clip just on top of this black connector here. So you want to push it and wiggle these wires out. I'll try to zoom it in so you can see it. So just want to push here and pull it out. Okay, so the next thing you want to do, you want to disconnect this upper switch. I did it already, I had to use both of my hands, but anyways, there is like just a small clip to push right here and pull it out. And then same thing on this one, there will be like a small clip right here which you have to push and just pull this wire out, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and this is how you remove the overhead console on 2007 Subaru Outback. Now, like I said, the most common cause why you would have to do this is to replace this small airbag sensor here. If you want to replace the light bulbs, you don't have to remove the complete overhead console. All you have to do is pop off this glass and then just replace the bulbs. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.